This little, you guys are gonna hate me. That is a monitor slash laptop mount. I did all that because I am so excited to have my little laptop up here out of the way. This is what I'm excited about. Look at that. How nice that is. Besides my yogurt sitting there. But it opens up all of this room on my desk over here. And I can see guests across from me. And I can still access the soundboard. No problem. I've got all kinds of room here. And then I can still move my boom arm, no problem, however I want. This is a good little addition for the ham shack. Now, I originally thought originally I thought, okay, I'll do the laptop. But then I was thinking, I didn't know if I'd like the Icom, the 7300 sitting there on the desk, between me and any guests over here. Not that there's many guests in this room, but on occasion we got stuff going on in here and you want to be able to see, and I like having a little bit of room. Just wanted to share this. Hold on, everybody. Just wanted to share this little laptop and monitor mount. I'm going to try out a few different applications for it, maybe something even for my radio, but this is just a mount, kind of an arm, a boom arm type of thing to mount the laptop on. So I'm going to put this over above my soundboard so it gives me more room to work, because there's a lot of wasted space there. I will show you when it's done, but so far it feels pretty good, pretty sturdy. Comes with all the mounting stuff you need, and mainly this little laptop here, this Asus, is what I use for playing music, the intro music and stuff like that. That's probably what's going to go on here, and it's just going to free up some space for me. Right about there. Boy, I hope so. I'm going to move it out just a tad more. Okay. Right there. That's where it have to be at. All right. Here we go. Okay. So the bracket just goes up underneath, and that goes up underneath. And let's see how we did here. And let's see how we did here. Alright, let's do this. Oh, the drawer still opens, no problem. Let's get this threaded up through here. I didn't really intend for that to thread through, but that's fine with me. All the better. Now let's get the thing on here. The bracket on here. Let's see if we can't get that up inside there. Actually, it's nice that threaded on there. Alright. Let's put that back down. So you guys can see it just tightens and loosens according to this. This tool was included. We're going to drop this down a little bit. drop it on my soundboard. Probably about there, maybe. Let's try that. Tighten it up. Nice and tight. This is it right here, guys. That's how it mounted up. And that's what it looks like above my soundboard. Boy, that gives me so much room over there. That is legit. It really is. With this little mouse. And then I can run it down here through the soundboard. This is coming in on number 7 and 8. So let's see what we got here. Boy, that is really, really cool. Just got to clean everything up now and organize it. But that's pretty cool. Sits nice. Sits right back in there just underneath the PreSonus. Let's turn those guys on. Excellent monitors. Very cool. Man, I am so stoked for this. So, as far as this thing goes, this thing is solid. That thing is absolutely solid. You just got to tighten it down real good. There you go. Thanks for watching, you guys. Link, affiliate link down below for that thing if you guys are interested in this exact one. Have a good one. Oh boy. Yeah, that's good. That is strong.